In today's video, I will show you how to quickly and easily remove the rear tail light on a Hyundai Accent. This tutorial is perfect for beginners who want to do the job themselves without spending money on a simple repair. Let's get started. First, open the trunk of the vehicle. On the inside, you will see a small plastic access cover that hides the taillight mounting hardware. Open this cover carefully. Behind the cover, you will find the mounting nuts. There are usually 3 of them. Using a 10mm socket or ratchet, remove all 3 nuts and keep them in a safe place so they don't get lost. Next, don't forget to disconnect the electrical connectors attached to the taillight assembly. Press the locking tabs and carefully unplug all the connectors. Once the nuts are removed and the connectors are disconnected, you can gently pull the taillight assembly away from the vehicle and remove it. Be careful not to use excessive force, as you don't want to damage any of the plastic clips or mounting points. And that's it! As you can see, removing the rear taillight on a Hyundai Accent is a quick and simple job that only takes a few minutes. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more automotive tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.